Mr. Aloysius, what are the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
Calabar girls. Well, they are friendly. Yes, that's for sure.
Okay.
They are friendly, mostly nice, hospitable. Can be rude at times. That's kind of like hereditary from all of them. I don't know, but they're generally nice. They're generally nice. They're friendly.
Okay.
And so far from the ones I've met, from the ones I've related with, mostly my course yeah, they're okay, they're nice.
Okay. Miss Mercy Onoha, what are the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
5 planes. Okay, Calabar girls. Well, majority of them are good cooks. Like they cook native delicacies very well, and they are accommodating,
Okay.
and most of them are good relationship builders. Like they know how to keep friends and maintain relationships,
Okay.
and most of them they love to explore. Like if you just want to have fun, you need to be around them and you get the fun. I think
Okay,
that's all I can say about it.
Miss Jennifer, what are the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
They are beautiful. They are homely.
Okay.
Fun to be with. They make good wives.
Okay.
The list goes on and on. Cha.
Miss Kiki, can you please share with us the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
Okay, they are not much though, but the ones I like about them is that they are pretty, they are naturally endowed. God took time in creating them, and they are very good cooks.
Mrs. Immaculate, can you please tell me the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
Calabar girls are so wonderful. They are so nice.
Okay.
The most important thing I like about them is that they are so beautiful and intelligent.
Okay.
And they are loving, caring. They are wife material.
Materials.
Yeah, they are wife material.
Okay.
And they can make good friends. Yeah. Like most of the Calabar girls that I have around me, that are my friends for over 5 years now. They've not failed me.
Okay. Mrs. Mercy Owana, can you please tell me the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
Okay, the first one is that they are nice. They are nice girls.
Okay.
In terms of cooking, they can cook very well.
Miss Rosemary, can you please tell me the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
Wow, they are wonderful people. They are beautiful. They are wife material. They love their culture. They don't deny it wherever they find themselves. They're homemakers. They've got good cooking skills. Yeah, and they are intelligent, hardworking too. Yes.
Mr. Bessel Roland, can you please tell me the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
Well, the 5 things I like about Calabar girls is they are entertaining, and they are friendly. They are entertaining and friendly, and they are also nice. They can, if you don't know the town, they can take you all over the town so that you know of the state.
Miss Edna, what are the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
Well, I love Calabar girls because they are accommodating, they are good cooks, they are very beautiful, and they are fun people to be with.
Okay.
Then also, I think they are very godly. Yeah.
Okay. Miss Sally Bassi, what are the 5 things you like about Calabar girls?
5 things I like about Calabar girls.
Yeah.
Well, I'll say they're beautiful.
Okay.
They're hustlers. They hustle.
Okay.